Nifty and the Sensex are the indexes for the NSE and the BSE. And as we know, the Nifty is a market index introduced by NSE, and Nifty 50 shows the top 50 equity stock traded weighted average formula of out of 1600 plus companies in stocks market. And what is actually index? It is the measurement of changes that takes place in the stock market, and it measures the price movement and the market performance. And the Nifty 50 base period is 3rd November 1995 with the base value of 1000 and with the base capital of 2.06 trillion rupees. The video till the end, and here we'll see some important points such as like the base period of Nifty and the Sensex. The base period of Nifty is 3rd November 1995 and for Sensex it is 1978. The base value of Nifty is 1000 and the Sensex base value is 100, and the number of companies included in the index is for Nifty it is top 50 companies and for Sensex is the top 30 companies. And here are some important formulae. We'll see all the calculation, but some before that just we'll see the first what are the formulas are there. So market capitalization is the, suppose there is one company A, which is having some total number of shares like 1000 and the price of one share is supposed to 10 rupees. So based on that, if you multiply this 1000 number of shares multiply by 10 rupees, that will be the total market capitalization. And there is one concept like free float market capitalization, and in the next slide we'll see exactly what is the free float market capitalization. And the index value is the current market value divided by the base market value. So first we'll see the free float capitalization. So for that we'll take one example of stock A. Suppose the one company is their name is A, and the total number of share for that companies are 10,000, but in out of the 10,000 the promoter shares are 2,500. So actual active trading shares in the share markets are 7,500. So the free float shares are the actual active trading shares, which is 7,500, and the free float market capitalization is 7,500 multiply the price of one share. So if you multiply the total number of free float shares multiply the price, you will get the free float market capitalization. Now we'll see how to calculate the Nifty with all the formulas. So for that I have created one Excel sheet mentioned here for company 1, company 2. So you can see these are the assumptions to calculate the Nifty and the base capital market market capitalization. So here you can see for the company 1 the share price is 1000 rupees and the number of shares are 10,000. So market capitalization of company 1 is the 10,000 multiplied by 1000, and this is the market capitalization. And here you can see at the end the total market capitalization, which is the summation of all 10 companies, and in actual Nifty it's a summation of all 50 companies, which are the top 50 companies are there, and based on that they are calculating the weightage average factor. So before that, if you want to see the top 50 companies, you can see here the name of that all the top 50 companies which are included in the Nifty index. And here the weightage of that market capitalization, how to calculate. So market capitalization multiplied by 1000 divided by this total market capitalization, and here you can see the total weightage of all the shares. So here in this case the weightage highest weight the having in the company is company 1. So if the company 1 share price is going high or going low, that is impacting more, and the lowest weightage is the company 3, which is having only 12 weightage factor. So in that case, even if the company's price movement is up or down, there is no much impact on the indexes, but there is a small impact. So in this case, this is the our base 3.28 crore is our base market capitalization. Now this is the consider as this is the value in the 1995 will consider. For example, now after 10-15 years all the values will change. Suppose this 1000 value is now becomes 3 or 4 times more, so it's 4000, it's 800. Suppose now today's value is 1000. For 100 rupees the value is 1000. For 2000 rupees which was there in the 95, I will change randomly to just to show how actually the market capitalization will change and how actually index price will change. So I will randomly will change these values, and these sometimes some values are lower because of some companies are not performing well, and I will keep the same some other values like as it is. So here you can see now the total market capitalization is changed because all prices are changes. Number of shares I have kept the same, but the prices are changed in the over a period of time, and based on that all companies market capitalization is different, and based on that the total market capitalization is different. So now to calculate exactly the Nifty index, here you can see the new total market capitalization multiplied by 1000 divided by the base market capitalization. So the new market capitalization is 6 crore 57 lakhs, and the base market capitalization was 3 crore 28 lakhs. That multiplied by 1000 will be the 2000 will be the index. Now again I will change some value to increase with, suppose here now we are having 20,000 shares, and this value suppose I will make 5,000, and now this company is having highest impact, which is because the market capitalization is very high, and based on that if you see here instead of 2000 index now it's 4900. So you can see every second the share prices values are changing. So based on that all the market capitalization values are calculating at the back end, and based on that the Nifty price you can see. So this is the concept to calculate the Nifty indexes. If you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer your question.